Purchasing Disney gift cards. Disney gift cards offer a versatile way to enjoy a wide range of Disney experiences, including theme park admissions, merchandise, dining, and more. They are available in both physical and digital formats, providing flexibility for various gifting and personal needs. 1. Available formats. Physical gift cards. Tangible cards that can be purchased online or in-store and are delivered via mail. E-gift cards, digital versions sent directly to your email, ideal for immediate use or last-minute gifts. Second, denominations offered. Disney gift cards are available in various denominations, typically ranging from $25 to $500, allowing you to choose an amount that suits your budget and intended use. 3. Where to purchase. Official Disney platforms. You can buy both physical and e-gift cards directly from Disney's official websites. Authorized retailers. Retailers such as Target, Walmart, and Sam's Club offer Disney gift cards, sometimes at discounted rates for members. Fourth, redemption options. These gift cards can be used at numerous Disney locations and platforms, including Walt Disney World Resort, Disneyland Resort, Disney Cruise Line, Disney Store locations in the US, online at shopdisney.com. To manage your spending, you can check the balance of your Disney gift card by visiting the official Disney gift card website or by calling their customer service number provided on the card. 6. Terms and conditions. It's important to note that Disney gift cards do not expire and have no fees, cannot be redeemed for cash except where required by law, should be treated like cash, lost or stolen cards may not be replaceable without proof of purchase. In conclusion, Disney gift cards provide a flexible and convenient way to pay for a variety of Disney-related products and services. Whether planning a vacation, shopping for merchandise, or dining at Disney locations, these gift cards are a practical choice for both personal use and gifting.